This is a Canon DVD camcorder DC210. Lens cover thing is right here. You can't really tell, but there's a lens cover. It's got some function buttons here. You open it up and there's the battery. The pull tab has been taken out of it, but there is an additional battery right there. That does have the pull tab. Here is the screen. It's interesting. It has zoom controls here. Play, stop, and stop playlist. Interesting. Tripod mount there on the bottom. Battery release tab is right here. And on the back here you have video mode or photo mode, play LED, camera LED, on-off switch, and mode selector. This is your navigation. Turns in these directions. Disk/charge LED. I believe this button is the eject button for the camera. Up here we have your focus types. This is your zoom slider and your photo button. And then we will plug it in if I can find the power. Oh, there it is. The power thing is right there. All right, the charge light is flashing, so we will open this up. Sorry about the viewing angle. And we'll power it on using the little thing down here. No disc. Well, okay. That's not a problem because we have a disc. Is it live? No. Memorex. Where's the... Oh, the disc eject switch is down here. All right. I'll put the disc on the spindle. Oops. There we go. Close it up. Disc full. Okay, so that means there's stuff on it. So I will, I'll review that, and maybe if there's anything interesting, I'll post it here at the end of the video. So, yeah, I'll get some more discs for this and hopefully, film something on it here. But anyway, thanks for watching.